This is my Mr. Cool 12,000 BTU air conditioning unit inside. It is running right now. You wouldn't know it, but let's see if the mic will pick up any air moving. It's pretty much silent. And we'll go outside and I'll show you the outside unit. Condenser unit, whatever you call that thing. It's just on the other side of that wall. 4-inch hole in the wall. I did get the Mr. Cool line cover. That's what that is. And coiled behind it, you'll see the extra line that you don't have any choice but to keep if you want this to be a DIY unit. The fan is running. It's variable speed. It has rubber feet, but even being mounted to the side of this building, no vibrations come through. You don't hear it. Occasionally when the compressor kicks on, and if it's silent inside, I can hear it just vaguely. But it comes with 25 feet of this line stuff, copper casing line, and some insulated material. And so you just wrap it with the vinyl tape that it comes with, and then just coil up your excess. Or you could always run it further on down the side and put the outside unit somewhere around here or way down there, or whatever you wanted to do. I decided to keep it here, and this is the Mr. Cool mount unit, and it'll hold 400 pounds, and it's well built. It didn't fit where I had studs, so I just used some pressure treated 1x4 to get the mounting feet where they wanted to be, and the mount itself on the studs. You can see where I just needed a little bit more room, so that's what I did, and that's pretty much it. Super happy with it. This is 110 volt, 115 volt, whatever, and I got it running ghetto fabulous off of an extension cord, because that's all I need and that's all I care about. If I need to work on this thing, I just unplug the cord. But super easy. The instructions are very helpful. I watched a couple YouTube videos, and I didn't refer to the YouTube videos. I was able to use the directions that were supplied, along with the little bit of knowledge I got from the YouTube videos. And the install was lengthy but easy. You know, just cutting holes, 4-inch hole in your side of your building is always nerve-wracking. But it went smooth. I don't feel like there was anything that I was uncomfortable with, and I'm super happy with it, and I would recommend it.